Hey, are you boy yo? I don't think if you see the man. Film you over now. Even if you go in my Facebook, bro, you might not know because where, but my son where. If you go in, if you go over, they support you with your atrocity, your stupidity. At the end of the day, those one are over here. I'm better than from why. If I allow it be. If I'm not here, there's no way I wouldn't hear how it be. What's it? Hello, man. I think the boss, no, my guy. The boss will be here by 10:22. My last 10:22, I shall be in my house. Yes. I have to cross to the other side. So my guy, you don't get we. We don't get get in way. Agbo. No get one of those land. Mareni. I'm brother I go that way. Motek Bugania. You are very free to be doing nonsense. Because you know you're giving women and we'll go marry women. You understand? A good nonsense where una. Why you get down? Oh no, you open work be. What claim that in your you will claim right on top. Then they make me beat you. Then they make me saga you. But right now, it's taking me again another guy. I better run my bros. Bros. We don't have a or this one of those. Our bros. I better run it. When I stand me now, I want to see you giggle. I call you. I already there. I don't feel laugh for God. Okay. If it was you giggle. I call you. What already? I walk at the line. Oh my God. I just do that move. I'm small here. Okay, now here. I'm here. Let's go get boy. Jesus. Okay. Yeah. They got this in the social media, no social media. And laugh, man, don't laugh. I only laugh. Okay, give back here. Because they're going to work with me. You know, so what? Oh, I'm going to go over the world. Well, I'm going to go over the world. I'm soon coming. The truth is that I have tried my best, normally, to educate our people about the so-called social media live video presenters who are using their brain. For those that have wisdom should learn. For those that seem to understand, let us fix what they are saying. Here we go, continue to deceive now. Macam, you may say you are you know, secret. I didn't miss with my leg on a corner. Are what will change you now? You don't know. Ada few one in my gap. I don't give them to them. You hear that one? I don't care for you. Reminding you love. You know what they want to say? Now Mountie, you know. I'm getting much more loud. Heavy mountain as a passo. Shortcut of building a shortcut. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. So, here we my guy. And I'm here with my young you bono ya. Milea. Yaro. Off we. They have it in mind. You're not only destroying your helper, other people helper, or you will destroy. If you don't say no more, any. Even with banana, can we carry be? Can we be? They would love to help people. But because of your character, yeah, you know, I believe the way I'm speaking now. Yeah, man, all those Mungus, they now will not believe why I'm the king of social media. Because you can't away about that. Who do go with the man of my genie? Yeah, I have no way you better than all joking. What you getting? What today? Where the Rovio? You don't know your mosaic, you found that you don't know. Where are you? No man, so I be. Let them get ready. How's the young be? My hair with you. But, bro, I will advise if you ask me to keep calm. Egg your hand in your back. I will not back. Change your way. We will make it look you well. No one says so. There's a woman. Video I go to you that you want. Or by the grace of God, tomorrow or this evening, I'll play the woman's video. I want anybody that knows that woman to contact me. That woman should contact me. The woman married a man and they have 3 children. The man don't abandon the woman. Woman on that woman. So the woman video is so emotional. You understand? So who get that woman videos? Who get a picture? Contact me. You know, today woman you contact me. So that family, we need to break them to book. We have a lot of family like that. So we see they go see the woman who their brother marry. They don't like her. They go oppress the woman, misuse the woman, disgrace the woman, useless woman, frustrate the woman, abandon them. So go collect their children from their hand. So go collect the husband. So the husband don't buy. They are collecting my property. So this particular woman, when I'm more family, call the family just now. But I have the video. I will block the video tomorrow by the grace of God. I don't download that video. I will blog that video tomorrow. So for those that know the woman, let the woman emboss me. That woman issue is very sympathetic. And we need to check them out. What's that video? Why I get video? Very sympathetic. I lost my house. And we need to check them out. The video woman here. That phone will be by family again. About dinner with me now. Because some people don't care about the woman to blog the woman's video. And that video is so touching. Not be content the woman create. Some people don't I have any man who about the woman to blog. I'm here to go kind of media. People that need the assistance of those women abroad. They really need to be. I just come across the woman video as I scroll down for Facebook. So that woman video don't pump up 3 times my Facebook since the third time and the other. Almost. The third one at the other video. See if you they stay for Amazon. Woman where a man they regularly they navigate. Some women. If you if you don't touch 1 million naira before, stand up. If you don't, if you don't know some, I talk better. I must be true. This is our benefit actress at all. No way on way. But when heart near Louis heart already. And you had already you were go. This small boy. I'm doing my video. But the woman's video, I get off my gallery. Understand? The video they trust this morning. The video they trust this morning. My gallery. Up at the hut. So people know where they up and I want to see up at the hut. Now social media up for the hut. Up at the hut. Some people with the up and I want to see up at the hut. Yes, I must greet you off with me. Okay, thank you, Epa Paris. Now gonna level for you that other. God bless you.
Joseph. Feliz. Edopo Ugiagbe.
Feliz Edopo Ugiagbe.
Even no me betenena. Ena ogio mewe.
So shall it be.
So shall it be.
Mama new way.
So shall it be.
Una yeve, una yakuve. Now I'm a single mother of 3 children. Where I never wish to be. For today's efforts, I lay a course for the entire Edopo family.
Edopo family. You know what social media?
Apart from my 3 children, please, we be find a way for entire Felix Edopo Ugiagbe family. Don't know why you for 12 years, it might be a marriage. Ugbeme Emiero, Eve Obalo, Oseka. Igbe, Eimu, Owaka, Abie. Then Voilà, abandonné. Et elle là, il y avait, et bébé, oh, mon donc il gagne bien, apart from money bien, et mauvais, et bébé, il n'en nous voit. Il y avait, on laisse il me louer, il m'a lavé me louer.
Yeah, when I watch this video, my guy, water run through my eyes. I can't imagine saying that my sister, they do this kind of things too. So, but nevertheless, I'm not going to judge now. You understand? If I know this woman, I'm going to tell the woman, make it call my number. That family, I go drag them, come out. You understand? Whatever they be, I go drag them. If the woman really want justice for the way they treat her, even though the man abandon you with 3 children, you have to take responsibility of those